Hi friend, welcome to my channel Civilian. Friend, in this video I will solve another problem on moment of inertia. Here I have a problem, that is find out the moment of inertia of the shaded area as shown in figure about the base. This is a composite section. This is a figure. We shall determine the moment of inertia of this shaded area. So how we can solve this problem? Let's see. So let's see, this is a rectangular section and this is a semicircle. So what will be the moment of inertia of this shaded portion about this side, about this base? So let I base, that is moment of inertia of this figure about this base, that is denoted by I base, that will be equal to moment of inertia of rectangle about base minus moment of inertia of semicircle about base. So total moment of inertia of this figure will be equal to moment of inertia of this rectangle minus the moment of inertia of this semicircle. So first we calculate moment of inertia of rectangle about base. So moment of inertia of rectangle about base, that will be, let we draw this rectangle, only the rectangle portion. This is 15 semi, that is 10 semi. We need to determine the moment of inertia at this section, and this is the center of this rectangle and this is x-axis. So that will be Ixx. Here we need to use the theorem of parallel axis. So Ixx plus a1 h1 square, a1 area of rectangle, h1 distance between this x-axis and this base, h1 value of h1 will be 15 by 2, that is 7.5 semi. So Ixx we know that BD cube by 12. So BD cube by 12, here B is 10 and D 15, 12 plus A1 10 into 15, H1 7.5 whole square. Our answer will come 11250 semi to the power 4. This is moment of inertia of rectangle about base. Now we solve now we calculate moment of inertia of semicircle. About base, that will be, we similarly separate this portion. This is semicircle, we need to find out the moment of inertia of this semicircle about this axis base. This is centroid and this is x-axis. We know the position of centroid from the base is this distance 4r by 3 pi, that will be h2 and area. So this, in this case, similarly Ixx plus a2 h2 square, a2 area of semicircle. So here Ixx we know that for a semicircle Ixx is 0.11 r to the power 4. Here r is 5 centimeter, radius of semicircle 5 centimeter. We put the value r 5 to the power 4, a2 will be 5 pi r square, r means 5 square by 2. We know the area of circle pi r square, as it is semicircle, so it will be pi r square divided by 2 into h2. h2 means 4r by 3 pi, 4r, r means 5, 3 pi whole square. So if we calculate this, our answer will come 245.59 semi to the power 4. সুতরাং I base equal to will be equal to this sum of this value and this value, that is 11250 0 plus 245.59, that will be 1 sorry, here will be minus, as here we write minus, so this value will come 11,004.41 720/4. This is our final answer. In this way we can easily solve any problem on composite section. So please like this video, share this video to your friend, and subscribe my channel to get all videos about this topic. Thank you for watching.